Well, we now have the camera up at the target end. This is where I had to guess my dope for the R50. Then adjusted to here, which I did miss with 2 shots. Bad wind call more than anything, I suspect, or the wind had gusted. But what have we got? About a 4.5 inch. No, we take it from that. Overall group of 6. What's the vertical look like? Vertical's about 5, but that's including that flyer. So whether that was me or what, I don't know. The main part of it, I would put in at about 2.5, 2.75 inches on the vertical. Switchy wind, or they're more affected by a crosswind than the Midas. I don't know. It's quite interesting how that one's gone horizontal. Anyway, this was me just getting my dope for the Midas Plus, which is a slower round. Now, coming over here, either I got very lucky with reading my wind, or there was a bit less, or they're less affected by the wind, but they do seem to suffer with a bit more vertical. Well, actually not a lot in it. 5.5 inches of vertical. But that part of the group is only about 1 inch wide. So there's no, to my mind, there's no real decisive winner. Which would you have hit with? As you go out further, will they get worse? And you get a lot more vertical spread? Was that just my bad wind reading skills? Job to know. But which one would you pick? Midas Plus or R50? Both the same sort of money. There's your thoughts for today.